What's up, guys? My name is Nikki, aka the Dame Untamed, and welcome to my world. I am a 29-year-old travel enthusiast from Ontario, Canada, and I recently created this channel in order to feature my travel experiences from all over the world, 24 countries and counting. Many would describe me as a total thrill-seeking adventure junkie. You could say I crave adventure like Canadians crave a cold beer and a hockey game. Cheers, eh? With a passion for both mountain climbing and scuba diving, it is my dream to explore every inch of our world. From the tallest mountain ranges, all the way to the depths of the sea, and everywhere in between. I will be posting new videos weekly, so stay tuned for some epic content. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show me some love. Stoked to have you guys along for the ride.